And why, hope you will get it out, like why do we use Python? So it is very easy to learn. It contains all libraries, like we can construct a thing from end to end. Like it does all the things where we call like full ML stack. And it is also easy prototyping as well as fast prototyping, where in other programming languages we use 100 lines of code, and where in this Python we use 10 to 15 lines for easy understanding. And also it is very demandable right now, where like ChatGPT, Gemini, everything uses Python majorly. Let us start with the basics today.
Okay.
So today, I hope you are with your notes and pen.
Yes, I'm with my notes and pen. Yes.
Yes. Oh, today we'll cover these topics like variables, data types, type conversions, conditional statements, and loops.
Okay.
Firstly, we'll go with the variables. Like in easy terms, we can say variables is like a container. So what do we do with the container? We'll store some water, some things likewise. It's a storage container, right?
Yes.
So variables are the same. Like here you can see this X, name, price, season. These are the storage containers where you store the stuff. Like for example, X is equal to 100. That means oh, a storage container called X is storing the content called 100. Hope you're
Okay.
getting me.
Yeah, I got it.
Yes. The same way we do store the data in the container called variables.
Okay.
And next, coming to the data types, which are 4 types. Int is nothing but integer, which is like normal figures, not the float values or decimal values. And the
O-
next is float. Float is the thing where it stores decimal values. It includes the decimal values.
Okay.
And the next comes string. String is what, like the text or the information that we store inside double quotes is called a string.
Okay.
Like whatever we need, we can write it inside the quotes.
Okay.
And then boolean. Boolean is nothing but which decides that either the given statement or condition is true or false. It decides whether it is true or false. These are
Okay.
the 4 data types.
The string needs to
Yes.
be in the double quotes always?
Not really. You can use the single quote also, but the double quote will be the best practice.
Okay. Some quote needs to be there, not like a directly assigning like this.
Correct.
Okay. I got
What
it.
I mean to say is like string, like some wording we frame some sentences likewise, no? That
Hmm.
part comes under string. That particular
Hmm.
thing we call as string. Like the decimal thing we are calling like float value. Normal values we are calling like integer value. In the same way, the text or the written format is called as string.
Okay.
And the next is the type conversions. Always we do not have the same values, right? Like sometimes we do want decimal values, sometimes we require integer values. So this thing we have to get converted. Firstly, I'll explain this again. Once again, I'll share my entire screen. Hope you can see this also now.
Yes, I can see.
Vamshi, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible. I can see you. I can see the screen
Yes,
properly.
yes. Actually, we do have different platforms to practice Python. Some people do
Okay.
install, some people will practice online using like online compilers.
Okay.
So I would suggest in future also this Google Colab platform will be very useful. For
Okay.
simple codes, we can use online compiler, Python, Spider, likewise. Jupyter Notes, likewise we can use. But while going deep dive like machine learning models, while we want to construct all those, this platform would be very helpful.
So collab,
So
collab,
G collab,
G
Google
collab,
collab.
Google collab. For even for the I mean AML advanced one also.
Yes. For advanced version, this Jupyter, Spider, online compiler doesn't works.
Okay.
So this platform would be very helpful. Where I also use this in my job purpose also. So I would suggest you this to use. Just you can create an account and use. It will be very
Okay.
easy process. If you are not aware of that, you can use the online compiler. I'll show that also once.
No, not that's fine. I will use this only. It looks also very uh good and
Clean and neat, you'll understand in very
yep,
easy way.
yep.
And coming to the first part, like how do we take input from user? Every time we do not have the always given inputs, right? So
Yes,
sometimes we need to take the input. Once again,
yes.
extra. Yes. Meanwhile, you can open your tab and take it. Like you can create. Just give me a couple of seconds. It's loading.
Mm,
See, after running, it is asking me to enter a number. So
yeah.
once I enter, then it will print the same number. See,
Mm,
here this number is called what? Variable, like a storage container.
okay. It
So
stores the data.
I'm
This okay, okay.
yeah,
Got
it
it.
stores this particular data.
Okay.
So I want the number in the integer value itself, not in the decimal form. So I have taken it integer. If integer is not taken here, you can give the decimal number also. I'll show that also. And we are taking input. So the input is given. And this use of this platform is like it will shows how do we use the thing and all.
Okay.
Yeah. Uh, so I want enter the required number, or else whatever you want you can give.
Okay.
Uh,
So you told data types, right? If we change the data types to float,
correct,
so
correct.
it will display in a, I mean, so
Now
say me.
let us check now.
Okay.
See, I given float here,
Mhm.
so I'm taking the 11 again. It prints like 11.0.
11.0. Okay, decimals also
Correct.
will be there.
Decimal form. Yes. The same thing. Here the next topic is the same, like data type conversions you are asking for. See, for suppose I have taken a movie rating for 9.5.
Hmm.
Already it is in the decimal form, so I mentioned it in the float.
Okay.
Sorry, it's
Oh, you already.
some. I already written the code for saving the time.
Okay.
Yeah. Let
So,
us consider this like a cloth price or something. Let me change it.
so you told that string will be in the double quotes. So is it a string of 1,000?
Yes. I'm taking it like a string.
Okay.
Whatever written in the double quotes, that is considered as the string.
Okay.
Now I'm converting it into the float. So up if we run up to here, it will be given like 1,000.0 or 00. And the third line, I'm taking the discount part, like this number into 0.1 I want. Correct?
Hmm.
If I haven't written the float here, it will show us the error. Because here the 0.1 we are using like a float, like decimal value, no?
Yes, yes.
So it will show us the error. Now, if I'm asking to print this rating number, it will print the same number which I have taken in the float
Okay.
format.
Hmm.
And now second thing, I'm asking to print the discount. So what the output from this, the second line
Hmm.
into 0.1, it will calculate. Correct?
Yeah.
So let us run and see. See,
Hmm.
the first, the same, it got printed like 1,000.0.
Okay.
And the next, the discount, 1,000 into 0.1 comes to 100.
Hmm. Okay.
Correct?
I actually got it. Actually, you have taken a string and you have
Yes.
converted that string into
Into
number,
the
float of
floor.
variable,
Correct. Correct.
and you have displayed the first that number, and that you have calculated a discount variable, and you have displayed that variable also.
Correct. Exactly. You are on the line. This is from string to float. At the same time, the second one is, this is from float to integer. See, I have taken here 9.5, just like a variable.
Yep. Mhm.
So let us take this number. So I'm
Mhm.
asking my system to print only the integer.
Hmm.
Correct?
Hmm.
So what it will give me the output?
I think it will give maybe error because integer can't take the decimals, or it will print only the 11 part. Might be one
Correct.
of that.
The second one is correct. I gave integer, no, so it will only take the integer part and give us the output. It won't consider this 99876.
Oh,
See, it
that's
only
good.
gave us the 11. Correct. You can whatever you want, you can take that in the input form. So whatever we are instructing it to do, like convert into float, convert into integer, it is doing there. Hope you are clear
Hmm.
with these conversions.
Yeah, I'm doing good. Yes.
Yeah,
Uh,
I
Let
don't
me note
say
it
you'll
down.
get, sure,
Yeah.
sure. I don't say it will come in a single way, but keep on understanding for a couple of days, thrice a day. You'll